Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this Innovator Wireless Vertical Mouse. This is an ergonomic vertical mouse that is supposed to protect your wrist from carpal tunnel syndrome. That has to do with long sessions of ordinary mice twisting your wrist, in contrast to this mouse that applies less pressure, and this has some really decent specs. It supports M.A.D and of course it's not included a battery here, so this is the cheapest I have ever seen in the vertical mice category. So let's open it up and check closely this product and see how many corners were cut. So inside the box you'll find a user manual. Now that must be the shortest installation guide I've ever seen. It's quite obvious. We have 6 buttons, that's really nice. A USB receiver, because this is wireless. A guide to actually using the mouse here. And on the other side, it's quite the same things here. I mean, after all, repetition is the mother of learning, they say. So eventually they printed the same things on both sides. Now let's check the mouse. That I must say it's really lightweight. I guess it's not with the battery weight included, but still it is really plasticky. Now this is my greatest gripe: the side buttons placement. For better grip have this plasticky wing, and the other buttons on the other side are placed decently, but this cannot be ergonomic for me. I don't like the placement of the buttons here. These feel quite unnatural. The forward and backward shouldn't be there. These buttons should be above my thumb. This might need a learning curve to get used to. Muscle memory needs to be on top of my thumb, but that's not my cup of tea. Now everything else about this mouse seems really nice. It has a good grip, and here we have the on-off switch in order to turn it on and off. For some reason it was turned on, here is off, but we don't have a battery, so this won't turn on even if we press it on. And if we open it here, it opens quite easily. We have the compartment for the battery. Here is the USB receiver. We have to plug into our USB. One AA battery is required, so let us close again. And for more testing, let's install a battery to power this on. So here we have a AA battery to install like that, and let's close the cover here. Even with a battery installed, this is still a really lightweight mouse. Granted, this is really plasticky and the build quality is not the greatest, but you get what you pay for. So let's turn it on. Okay, here we have this red beam. This is the sensor that's working. It's gliding quite nice. Here we can change the DPI, and the scrolling wheel is really quiet. To sum up, this is a great entry-level vertical mouse. So if you found this useful, leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.